Good morning, children. I am your teacher, Sandhya ma'am, and I welcome you all to MPK Girls School online classes. I hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to teach you the first lesson from your Oxford English Language and Literature book, that is Roots. The name of the lesson is Down the Rabbit Hole from Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Okay children, before going to the lesson, let me first tell you about the author of this lesson. This lesson's author's name is Lewis Carroll. Was the pen name of Charles Ludwig Dodgson. He was born in Daresbury, United Kingdom. Lewis Carroll was an author, inventor, mathematician, poet and photographer. In fact, he invented the dictograph, a system that helps people write in the dark. This was during the time when electricity was not easily available in households. Today, he is famous for his children's books Alice Adventures in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass. Let us read a story to find out how a rabbit leads Alice to a fantastic adventure. Alice was beginning to get very bored. She and her sister were sitting under the trees. Alice और उसकी बहन एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठे थे. Her sister was reading, but Alice had nothing to do. उसकी बहन एक किताब पढ़ रही थी, पर एलिस के पास करने को कुछ भी नहीं था. Once or twice she looked into her sister's book, but it had no pictures or conversation in it. एक दो बार उसने उसकी बहन की किताब में देखा, पर उसमें कोई भी चित्र या बातचीत नहीं थी. And what is the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversations? फिर वो सोचने लगी कि बगैर चित्र और बातचीत की ये किताब किस काम की. She tried to think of something to do, but it was a hot day and she felt very sleepy and stupid. वो कुछ अलग करने की सोच रही थी, पर दिन बहुत गर्म था. साथ ही उसे थकावट और नींद आ रही थी. She was still sitting and thinking when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran past her. फिर भी वो वहाँ पर बैठी थी. तभी एक गुलाबी आँख वाला सफ़ेद रंग का खरगोश उसके सामने से भागता हुआ वहाँ से गया. There was nothing really strange about seeing a rabbit, and Alice was not very surprised when the rabbit said, oh dear, I shall be late." Perhaps it was a little strange, Alice thought later, but at that time she was not surprised. उसे खरगोश को देखकर कोई आश्चर्य नहीं हुआ, पर खरगोश के ये कहने पर कि ओ डियर मुझे देर हो रही है, एलिस को आश्चर्य हुआ. But then the rabbit took a watch out of its pocket, looked at it and hurried on. At once Alice jumped to her feet. पर जब भागते हुए खरगोश ने एक घड़ी अपनी जेब से निकाली और उसमें देखा, तब एलिस भी उसके पीछे भागी. I have never seen before a rabbit with either a pocket or a watch to take out of it, she thought, and she ran quickly across the field after the rabbit. एलिस सोचने लगी, मैंने कभी भी किसी खरगोश को अपनी जेब से घड़ी को निकालते नहीं देखा. उसे बहुत अजीब लगा. तब वो भी उस खरगोश के पीछे खेतों की ओर भागने लगी. She did not stop to think, and when the rabbit ran down a large rabbit hole, Alice followed it immediately. खरगोश के पीछे भागते हुए एलिस भी बगैर सोचे एक बहुत बड़े रैबिट होल में भागती चली जाती है। After a little away, the rabbit hole suddenly went down, deep into the ground. Alice could not stop herself falling, and down she went too. थोड़ी देर में दौड़ती हुई एलिस एक गड्ढे में गिर जाती है और एलिस अपने आप को गिरते हुए रोक नहीं पाती है। वो उसके अंदर और अंदर गिरती चली जाती है। It was a very strange hole. Alice was falling very slowly and she had time to think and to look around her. She could see nothing below her because it was so dark. But when she looked at the sides of the hole, she could see cupboards and books and pictures on the walls. She had time to take things out of cupboards, look at them and then put them back in a cupboard lower down. Alice जिस अंधेरे कुएं जैसे गहरे गड्ढे में गिरती चली जा रही थी वह बहुत अजीब था क्योंकि एलिस बहुत धीरे धीरे नीचे की ओर गिर रही थी। उसे उसके अंदर चारों तरफ की दीवारों में छोटी अलमारी किताबें दिख रही थी। उसके दीवारों में तस्वीरें भी दिखाई दे रही थी। गिरते हुए वो उन चीज़ों को उठाकर देखती और वापस नीचे गिरते हुए कहीं नीचे की अलमारियों में रख देती। इसके आगे की कहानी अब हम अगले क्लास में सुनेंगे। Children, the second part of this lesson I will be continuing in my next class. Till then, read the lesson and understand it. Also children, in these 2 pages, 2 word meanings are given, which you have to learn and write it down 2 times in your rough copy and send the picture of that work to me in my mobile number.